Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tactics World. I'm Atish Ranjan and in this video I'm going to talk about redirecting from HTTP to HTTPS version of your website. Okay, so why it is needed? Actually, SSL enabled websites are being preferred by Google because when you install SSL on your website, it adds more security elements to your site, so your site becomes more secure. Okay, so that is why everyone is now installing SSL for their website. SSL means the site opens on the address HTTPS, and then instead of HTTP there will be HTTPS. Okay, so but even after you install SSL certificate for your website, if you open your website by typing the domain name like this, it opens by default the HTTP version. As you can see, it shows not secure, but I have already installed the HTTPS, I mean SSL certificate on this website, but it is not opening the HTTPS version directly because when we type this clapsnews.com in the browser and hit enter, it opens the HTTP version. So what we have to do is to do some settings or add some codes to redirect the HTTP version to go to HTTPS version. So for that you have to go to the htaccess file of your website. So whatever web hosting you use, just go there and find out the htaccess file. So for this website, here is the htaccess file. Just edit this file. Okay, and if you see like this, just enter to make space at the top and enter this code. Okay, I will put this code in the description so that you can just copy and paste. So I'm pasting the code here. Okay, sometimes this type of dot it takes when you copy paste, so just remove the dots. Okay, fine. Now click on save. So now you can try opening the website in the browser. It still shows not secure because sometimes it takes a bit of time to start redirecting from HTTP to HTTPS, like HTTP claps news. Let's again type, like it's still showing not secure. Just let me type again. Okay, so now you can see the HTTP version is redirecting. So if you type clapsnews.com and hit enter, it directly goes to HTTPS. For confirming, you can just type like this, like I'm using HTTP, okay, and hitting enter, but still it goes to HTTPS version. To confirm, you can just double click on this and you can see the HTTPS. So this is how you can just redirect the HTTP version of your website to HTTPS version. But before doing this, you have to install the SSL certificate for your website, and some web hosting offer a free SSL certificate or paid one, or you can use websites like SSL for free or others to get free SSL certificate and install on your domain. So that's it. Hope you like this video.